Yo, 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 what up, YouTube Yaks? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys, so let's get down to the nitty gritty and down gritty. So let's remove this keyboard out the way. And this is going to be the last time you see this keyboard, probably on stream, I don't know. But we got a special guest. I need to put my other lavalier on my shirt instead of the other microphone, like when I'm moving away from the camera, so you guys can actually still hear me while I'm moving around. So yeah, so here's the new keyboard right here. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So you're probably still wondering why I still got the black glove on. Like I said, my hand is still healing. I had second-degree burns, which is, I'm gonna show you where you're at. It's this whole part of my hand right here, right here, marks here, and like around there. You probably see some of it right there. My arm is still healing, so basically my hand is like that color right there. The color's coming back to my arms and stuff, but yeah, because a lot of y'all been asking me why I have the black glove on, like Luke Skywalker. That's basically him. Oh, that's basically why I said that's basically I am. Oh, and just to let you guys know, I am going to be getting a hand tat because as I spoke to my doctor, they already told me it's going to leave a big scar. So I am going to get a tattoo that's basically going to show like damaged circuits and stuff like that. I'm going to have the Luke Skywalker Android hand mixed like kind of like with the Terminator and the Luke Skywalker hand damaged part right here. So I think it's going to be a good cover up for my hand. So look forward for that. So that's not going to be done probably until like a few months, probably about 5 or 6 months from now. So yeah, so let's look at this and let me like cautiously unbox this, because a lot of times they put your information in the stuff. Okay, I'm not seeing nothing. Okay, they wrapped this sucker up good. Damn, they wrapped this up good. Here we go. So this is the new keyboard right here. It took them about 2 weeks to get this done. Even though this is a bare bones, I did have some customization done towards it. So I had to have some things installed like that. But I am going to buy another one. I wanted to see how this was going to be before I purchased the full Hall effect, wireless, all that like that. So I really wanted to see how this was going to be. So let's get that. I like the way he got this box. I mean, they came a long way. And y'all know I buy a lot of Glorious products. Let's open that up. Oh, look how they got my name up there. They got my name right there. That's what's up. So let's look at the stuff in here first. Might have to use this to pry open it. Okay. Nothing in here. It's just my name. Okay. I like the fact they went a lot out of their way for this. So they gave me a card, another card, stickers, the switches and stuff like that. Here's the accessories right here. So we got the sample switches. Ooh, I like those. That's clicky, that's linear, that's tactile, clicky. Got your switch remover, keycap. Got your keycap remover and your switch puller. I have my own. If y'all know, I build keyboards and stuff like that, so I don't need theirs, but it's for the people that needs it. Do I have my keycap puller in here? Yes, I do. Hold on. So here's my keycap puller right here. As you can see, it's actually from I think this is from Acco. Yeah, this is from Acco. I brought this right here, keycap puller. You can actually unscrew this like that. You can unscrew this part. It has a little screwdriver inside. As you can see right there. I was trying to get this in blue. was trying to get this in blue, but they didn't have it. This was all sent to me by a company. So yeah, let's get to the last thing. Let's get this out the way. This one is the extra stuff. So we got the extra pads. We got the O-rings right here, screwdriver, and we have the cord. I got a standard cord right here. I could have got a coil, but I got my own personals, so I don't need this because I have a screwdriver, my own stuff. This is the shock pads on right here, basically to make it more bouncy. I can't think of the freaking name right now. And for somebody that does keyboards, just can't think, right? Don't mind me, guys. I got too much things that's on my mind right now, and I can't literally think off the top of my head. So that's why. Gaskets. I'm sorry. That's what it was. Gaskets. I couldn't really think of it. The gasket pads. Okay. Push that up right there. So, star of the show right here. There we go. Ooh, I like it. Got some dust right here. So I like it. So we got the pink badge right here. We got the blue badge right there. Plastic. I am going to be getting everything metal. I just wanted to get a new keyboard. As you can see, glorious right here. The GMMK 3, which is this is Pro. Got the switches right here for Windows and Mac and stuff like that. So yeah, I got my switches, everything. I gotta go and get my switches right here. So, but yeah, I do like this. Is this lube? I might have to take these off and lube them myself. Let me see. Is it lubed? It is lubed, but it's not as lubed as I will put it. So what I am going to do is I'm going to do another unboxing a little bit later. Oh, I like the fact that they tell you what each key is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like that. Glorious. Y'all really stepping your game up. So I like it. All right. So that's that right there, guys. I know I wasn't talking directly into the microphone the entire time, so the audio might be a little bit funny, fuzzy like that. So this is the new keyboard right there. I was going to do a live stream, but I don't know if I'm going to do a live stream just to put some switches in and then keycaps and stuff like that. I might just do a video for it using this right here and go from there. All right, guys. So it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker. Only use me sometimes. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray fade away.